Hello future Navodayans. Our next session is about mental ability chapter analogy. So still now we have learned our 4 chapters. Those are odd man out, similarity, incomplete figures and series figures. If you have missed any of the chapter, so you can go and check about these videos. And this is our session 5 about analogy. First of all, let's know what is the meaning of this word analogy. Analogy is nothing but comparing with one object with another object. Okay, so in these figures we will be finding what are the changes happened and we will be applying the same changes in the next pair. Okay, so first of all we can see one of the example here. First of all, let's know how to think while doing these analogy figures. Okay, here you can see one sample example of the question, and here we have written what are the things to think. In these figures you can see 2 pairs. This is question and this is answer, right? So here in the question you could see 2 pairs of figure. This is pair 1 and this is pair 2. So while giving a question we have 2 pairs of figures. This is pair 1 and this is pair 2. Okay, while having these 2 pairs, first of all we have to think what are the changes in pair 1. So in this pair 1 we have some changes happened. So this is the first figure and this is the second figure. So first of all we have to know what are the changes happened. So we will think what changes happened from one figure to second figure. Okay, so check here what are the things is there in first figure. So here we could see 6 squares, right? So we have 6 squares and 1 rectangle. How these things changed in second figure? So we have same 6 figures, those are 6 squares but in straight line. 6 squares in straight line. And how this one rectangle, how this became changed? This one rectangle became 2 rectangles. One is at top, another one is at bottom. So what are the changes here? See, same number of squares but they are in straight line. And what is the second change? There is one rectangle, it became 2 rectangles and these are one at top and one at bottom, right? So we will be applying the same changes for the second pair. Okay, so here also count these small figures. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So according to point number 1, how these 6 points should be? They should be in a straight line, right? These 6 should be in straight line. And what about this single figure? This should be 2. One is at top and one is at bottom. So we have to find out this figure from the answers. So whenever we have 4 options, we have to eliminate one by one and finally we will be selecting the correct answer. So first of all we will eliminate one by one. Okay, look at this, only 2 small figures are there. So this is not what we want. We want 6 figures, right? So we are eliminating B. And here we have 4 small figures. So this is also eliminated. And here we have rectangle. But the figure here is something like rectangle, oval shape, right? Not rectangle. So this is not same. So we are eliminating C. Coming to the A, we have 6 small figures here. That is correct. And these shapes, one is at top and one is at bottom. So those are the changes happened in the pair 1. We are applying to the pair 2. So absolutely our option A is correct. So while doing this analogy, we have to see 2 pairs. First pair is we have to think what are the changes happened. what is the pattern it is followed, and then we have to apply the same changes for the pair 2, so that we will be getting our correct answer. Okay, this is how we have to think, and this is how we have to do our analogy. So after understanding, let's enter into our real game, and we will be starting our textbook exercises of analogy figures. Let's enter into the analogy textbook. Here first of all we could see some of the examples. In every example figure in analogy we could see two parts. This is part 1 and this is part 2. Okay, what are these part 1 and part 2? Okay, in every question we will be having two parts, part 1 and part 2. So first of all we have to look into part 1. So we have to observe what it is given and how the relation is there between first two figures of the part 1. Okay, and then we have to apply the same changes to the figures of part 2. Okay, let me explain. Here in the figure 1 we have 3 circles, right? Here we have 3 circles. So what is happening with the next figure? Here we have a square. So what is the relation between these two? Here we have 3 circles and later it became 4 sides, right? So the relation is like, if we have 3 circles and next figure will become plus 1 side. Okay, so this is the change happened in here. So we have to apply the same changes in the next part also. So here we have 2 circles here. So if we are having 2 circles, then what will be the our next figure? Okay, if we have 2 circles, according to part 1, what should be the next figure? 2 plus 1 is 3, right? So we have to find out a figure which is having 3 sides. So where is the figure which is having 3 sides? Obviously it is triangle, right? So we will be selecting triangle as our correct answer. Here we have 3 sides, next figure will become as 4 sides. So we are applying the same changes here. That's why we got the answer. So let's look at here. Okay, let's look at the example number 1 also. Here we have 2 circles and these 2 circles became 1 circle. So what is the change happened here? First we have to look at this first part and later we can apply the same changes in the second part. So can you observe here and check what is happening here? Here there is a circle and here also a circle. And what is happening with the second figure? The second figure is same as this circle, right? The second figure is same as this circle. So here also what should be the answer figure? This figure should be same as the second circle, right? So what is the second circle here? That is a big white circle. So where is that? That is there in option number A. So we will be taking this first option. In the same way we will be checking on this example number 3. Here we are having different kind of arrows, right? So first of all we have to check on part 1. So observe this part 1 and see what are the changes happened here. See, in this 1 and 2, in this pair, this arrow is same as this and the down arrow is also same as the previous one, but the top arrow got erased, right? So the same the same changes should be happen in here also. So the middle part of the arrow should be same, right? So where is the same arrow here? Yes, it is there and it is also there. But in B and D, the arrow's direction is different. So we will be eliminating B and D. Later, we have to see these arrows are also should be in same direction and one arrow should be erased, right? In A, the direction of the arrow is same, but in C the direction of the arrow is not same. So we will be eliminating C and one of the arrow got erased, right? So this arrow got erased and we are left with option number A. So we will be selecting A as our correct answer. This is how we have to check with the energy. We have to select the first pair and we have to see what are the changes happening in the first pair, and after knowing that we have to apply the same changes in the next pair. Let's start our exercise number 1. Here let's see into the problem figure 1. Here first look into this pair, first pair. Here we are having two figures, right? This is one figure and this is also one symbol also, we can say. So what is changing and what is not changing? This kind of symbol like 7 and this square is not changing. It is same, right? 7 and box is same, but and then you could see a type of upper symbol, and this one is changing, right? How it is changing? So what is the change happened from here to here? What is the change happened in this pair? So what is happening here? We have already seen about mirror images, right? So how will be the mirror images? Mirror image is like left side will be right side and right side will be shown on left side. So you could see this image became mirror image of it here, right? In the same way we have to apply the same changes in this pair also. So the round symbol will be same, it will be unchanged, right? So look at the answers and what else we can eliminate first. So see, this symbol is not same here, it is not matching, so we will be eliminating option A. And see, and here in this second option also, this line is somewhat long and the direction should be like this, but it is in different direction, so B is also eliminated. And here we are missing one more line, so we are eliminating C as well. So last option is D. Let's see, the triangle shape symbol is same and other one, this one is got mirror imaged. So what will be the mirror image of this? Obviously it will be like this, right? So we can see that image here, so we could see D as our correct option. And coming to the problem number 2, here we have one of the capsule. So first look at pair number 1. So what is happening here and what are the changes? So what are the changes? This one arrow, this came down, so this came one step down here. See, it should be up, and in the second figure it came to middle part. So what happened? Arrow came one step down, right? So this is a change happened. So we have to make same changes here. So what is the figure in the upper one? That is circle. And how it should change? It should come one step down. So where it should be? It should be in the middle part. So where is this figure? We could see that figure in the C option, right? So we are selecting C as our correct option. And question number 3. Here look at this pair number 1. So what is happening here? Let's see how these buttons are moving. So buttons are moved here from this place to top place, right? From here to this place, and then these things from here to next place, and the square also moved to next place, and triangle also moved to next place. So by looking into these circles, in which direction these all are moving? This is clockwise or anti-clockwise? This is clockwise, right? So all the shapes are moving in clockwise direction. So we have to make the same changes in this pair also. So we will be moving all these symbols in the clockwise direction only. So first of all we have to make this square to the next place, and circle to the here, and this stick to here, and U to top place. So we will be finding U here and square here, circle here, and stick should be here. So we will be finding one figure which is matching this. Let's see, here we are having two U's and these two are eliminated. And by looking into A and B, here we have circle, so this is also eliminated. And the final one which is matching all our required figure is B, so we will be selecting B as our correct answer. So let's enter into our problem number 4. Okay, so look into this pair, what is happening here. This is like a cone. So how this cone is moved? This cone is moved to clockwise direction, 90 degrees. Like it has moved from top to right. It is in clockwise direction. Okay, that is one change. And how this arrow got changed? How this arrow got changed? This was in right side and it turned to top. That means arrow is moving in the direction of anti-clockwise and cone is moving in the direction of clockwise, right? So we will be applying the same changes here also. So cone should move in the direction of what? Clockwise. So how it will be? It will be like this. And arrow should be moved in the anti-clockwise direction. So how it will be moving? That will be down, right? So this will be down. So where is the matching figure? And we can eliminate all other figures. So see, the cone is not matching, so we can eliminate A. Cone is matching but arrow is not matching, so we can eliminate B. And C is selected, D also eliminated. So correct answer is C. Okay. Look at 5. Here there is a hexagon and there are two internal circles here. This is one white circle and one black circle. And what is the change happened from here to here? What are the changes? Both the circles came together, came one step together, right? So it came to one step forward and it also came one step closer. Okay. So both of the circles are coming one step closer. One step closer. So we have to make same changes in the next pair also. So it should come one step closer and it also should come one step closer. These are all both are black circles. So where is the answer figure? It should be hexagon and both the circles should be here, right? So we will be finding the similar figure, that is in option number D. So we will be selecting D as our correct answer. And look at C, 6. Here we are having a triangle, a rhombus and a rectangle. And what is the changes which are happened in this pair? So what are the changes happened? Just like this top side become down and bottom side become up. See, the triangle got like inversed. It made this side gone upside and this side came down, right? Here also we have to make same changes, like this side should go up and this side should come down. Here the black part, it was in top, here also it was went to top only, and the white part which was in down, and here also it was in down only. So look at this black is at up, right? In the answer figure also the black should be at up. So here the black is up, here the black is up. So we can eliminate A and D because it is not matching. And then this internal rectangle is same, so that is same. And how? This should be gone up. This should be gone up, right? This side should be up here. So where is the correct answer here? Then we can see this C is there. So that's why C is our correct answer. Here this side is not up. Okay. And coming to 7. Here in this pair the internal part, it is same. So internal part no change, and this second part is how it changed. It changed like a mirror figure, right? So it changed like a mirror figure. So internal part should not be changed. That's why this will not change. This will be same. So where it is not same? Here it is not same, and here also not same, here also not same. So we will be, and other ones, this should be mirror image, right? This should be mirror image. So its mirror image would be same. And then and outside also, like this question is bit confusing, but still you can make a correct answer because we already got the answer. So you can like make it as he might taken the mirror image of this figure. Even the mirror image of pentagon will be same, right? Sorry, hexagon will be same. So mirror image of this one. Already we got the answer, so we are just supporting it. And next one is 8th. Here look at these figures. First pair, here what is happening? Here we have arrows in this direction, up direction, and coming to the second figure it became opposite, and this is this direction, and coming to the second figure it became opposite. So arrows are becoming opposite direction, right? Arrows are changing to opposite direction. And how these arrows are changing? Let's count how many are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 were there, but in the next figure it became 1 2 3 4. So 6 arrows became 5 arrows, and here these are 3 arrows, 3 remain same, so 3 and 3 same. Okay, and these are the one thing happened. So let's count how many arrows are here. 1 2 3 4. So 4 up arrows. So what should be the next count? So 4 should become 3, right? And it should be opposite direction. That's why it should show to down. So where are the down arrows? Down 3 arrows, not 4. Here we are having 4 arrows. So we will be eliminating this. Here 3 arrows, 3 arrows, 3 arrows. That's good. And down arrow should be of same direction. So these are going in a different direction. So we will be eliminating B. And C and D are in correct directions only. Let's look into these pictures. So how these balls are changing, upper things are changing. If you could see, this ball came to last position and these two become exchanged, right? See, this black and white ball came to down, and white ball came to up, and in the middle balls these two got exchanged. So we will be keeping the same. The upper symbol should come down and lower symbol should go up, and middle also these two should exchange, right? We will be selecting that one only. So ball and a box should be down. So from these two, ball and box should be down, right? So that is there in this D. So we will be selecting D as our correct answer. And inside this square and this line are also there in correct position. So we will be selecting D as our correct answer. Next, problem number 9. Look at the first pair. Here what is? Let's see what are the changes happened. Okay. So first of all, this figure, this outer figure, this became mirror figure, right? So this became changed to mirror figure, and also upside become downside. Mirror figure plus upside become down, right? And what is happening with the internal figure? Internal, this small figure, this came from top to bottom, right? So this internal figure will be going from bottom to top. So this figure will be like square and also black rectangle. And then let's look into this one. First of all, it should be mirror figure and also upside down. So if we draw the mirror figure, it would be like this, but upside should be down, right? So it will be like bigger side here and small side here. So we have to find out this figure. So this is internally black. Let's see what are the figures here. First of all, in A, this figure is not fine. So we are eliminating A, and D also the figure is not correct. So we are eliminating D. Let's look into the figures B and C. Here, if you could see, mirror figure and also upside and down, right? So but this is not a mirror figure, so we are eliminating C as well, and everything in the B option is very correct, and so we are selecting B as our correct answer. And the next problem is problem number 10. So here we have a rectangle, and in the outside we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 small squares. So these 6 small squares came into a line, and this one rectangle become 2 rectangles, right? Here also we have to apply the same changes. 6 small figures should be in a line, and this one figure should be 2 figures, right? So here we have only 2 short figures, so eliminating this, and here we have 1 2 3 4 5 6 figures, but this one is different from this shape, so we are eliminating C, and here the figures are not 6. So eliminating D, and the correct answer is here we have 6 small figures and also 2 these figures up and down. So A is our correct answer. And the next one is 11th problem. Here we have two symbols here. One is this symbol and how it got changed. This symbol got changed from upside to down, right? So it just changed from upside to down, and internal this circle also changed from upside to downside. Okay, so let's see upside down of this figure. So what will be the upside down of this figure? That will be the here curve and here the line. So where is this figure here? We could see C is not matching, B is also in the reverse direction. So B is eliminated, and this should be upside down, right? Upside down will be same. So we will be having the figure which is having dark part here only, but A is having somewhat different dark part. So we are eliminating A, and also in C also the part of the dark is not correct. So we are eliminating C. And while coming to the D, the dark part is same and this one also became upside down. So we are selecting D as our correct answer. And here in the 12th figure we are having the outside circle is same, and here internally this U is not changed, and here these pieces they gone up. So we will be applying same. This outer part is a square, and internal this U should be same, and rectangle should come down, right? So these rectangles should come here. So first of all here we got a circle, so we are eliminating this, and U should not be changed, but in B U got changed. So B is eliminated, and here also U changed. So D is also eliminated, and these triangles came down in A. So we are selecting A as our correct answer. Let's look into problem number 13. Here these figures are same, and let's look here. So white and black they exchanged. Black came to white place and white came to black place. So we will be exchanging these two. Okay, so black this figure should come right side, and this white figure should come to the left side. So left side top white, left side top white. Yes, this is correct. And left side top white, this is also correct. Here we are having a full black, so this is eliminated, and here we are having top not white, so B is also eliminated. So whether these are exchanged got correctly or not. See, left figure become right figure and right figure become left figure. So this is correct. And let's look into the top two sides. See this one top side black, it came down, and this was black and it gone to other side. Okay, here also this top black should come down. In this top black is correct, but here that black is not correct. So D is eliminated. We will be selecting C as our correct answer. And problem number 14. Here we could easily say these two are image figures, mirror images, right? Mirror images. So we have to form a mirror image for this. So let's draw the mirror image for this. Just now we have to draw like thinking how it would be look if we place it in a mirror. So here we will be having a circle here. So we have to find the correct match for this. See the direction of this rhombus. So that should be facing to this corner, right? So here this is not facing this corner, so A is eliminated. Here also it is not facing this corner, so C is eliminated. We will see B and D. Circle should be in the top side, so D is correct and B is eliminated. So correct answer is D. And coming to 15. So what is the change that happen here? Black gone one step up, white also gone one step up, and then this triangle gone one step up, circle also gone one step up. So we have to apply same changes here. So this triangle should go one step up. So triangle should be here, and this oval should also go one step up. So it should be a oval, and this should be one step here. So here we should have a rectangle, and circle should be here. So here it is a pentagon. This should not be changed, but here the shape of the pentagon changed. So eliminating D, and then we could see in this top position there should be triangle and also oval, but oval is not there, so B is also eliminated. And here the triangle is black triangle, but in A it is white triangle, so we are eliminating A. So correct answer is oval, triangle, and this is square and circles. Everything is fine with C, so we are selecting C as our correct answer. And next one is 16. So how this figure happened? So combining this white part and black part, this figure formed, combined. Two pieces got combined. So we also need to combine these two figures. So if we combine these two figures, what will be formed? That is D, right? So we are eliminating all others and selecting D as our correct answer. See here in the 17th one, in the first pair, this one is same. This one is same. So it should be same. And then this one become downside become up, downside become up, and upside become down, right? So this should be same, upside should be down. That means you could see a triangle like here, and the circle will be same, so we will be having the same circle. So what is the figure which is matching this? This is, the arrow is not fine, so eliminating A, and this is in the other wrong direction, so the eliminating C. And here this is matching, but triangle is not matching, so D is eliminated, and the correct answer is B. Next figure is 18. See how this first pair is related. So these arrows are moving in which direction? This is anti-clockwise direction, right? So this is moving in the anti-clockwise direction, and internal are moving in the same direction. This is same, and this is also same. This anti-clockwise direction became clockwise. So anti-clockwise became clockwise. So that should be the change. And here these squares are moving in which direction? That is clockwise direction. So what should be the next figure? That should be anti-clockwise direction, right? So let's see the answer figures. Here in the B, this whole square got filled up. So that should not be there. So B is eliminated, and it should be anti-clockwise, that like this. So which figure is making that? Let's see. So internal figure should be same, right? But in A, these figures are not same. So A is also eliminated. And in the D, these internal figures are not given. So D is also eliminated. While looking into C, all these things are in anti-clockwise direction only. So we will be selecting C as our correct answer. And then here in the 19, these two sticks went to the opposite direction and it became equal to. So these sticks should be go this place and it should become like this, right? So where these things are not there in the D and A, those things are not same. So we are eliminating A and D. And here these internal, all the vertical like edges, vertices got connected. So it should be connected here. So where is the correct answer? That is in B. So we will be selecting B as our correct answer and we will eliminate C. And coming to the 20. See here we have a figure pair where this is happening. See here we have a down opening and in the it became top opening. Okay, so here also if it is down opening, answer should be top opening. So where is the top opening? Only in the A. So we will be selecting A as our correct answer, but we need to eliminate all others also. So and here like this it is there, right? It is right side opening, and in the next figure it opening gone to top side. So which direction it is? Anti-clockwise direction. Okay, so anti-clockwise direction, if we turn this space, then it should be at left side. So that is correct at A only, right? So we will be selecting A and others are eliminated. And coming to the 21, here this is an arrow and this is also an arrow. So what are the changes happened? No change in first arrow. First arrow is same. So in the here also first arrow should be same. And what happened in the second arrow? Direction reversed, right? So direction should be reversed. So we have reversed. And coming to these black balls. So black ball, this was black, and how this black got changed? This black came to right side. This is clockwise, right? So here also this black should move to the right side. So how it will be moving? If it move to the right side, then it will become like this, okay? And here in the second circle, the darkness was here and it moved to this direction, that is in anti-clockwise direction. So here also this black part, if it moves in the anti-clockwise direction, it comes to here, right? So if we could see for this figure, we could found it in D, and all others are not matching. Here arrows are not matching, so A is eliminated. Here circles are not matching, so B is eliminated. C also arrows not matching, so C is also eliminated. And in 22, here we are having the same figure, but top become upside become downside. Here also we should make a figure that is upside become down. So if we draw a figure where upside becomes down and C should be like this one. So we will be finding this figure. See here the C got reversed. So A is eliminated and B looks same. Let's see C and D also. Here the shape and direction of the rhombus is not correct, and here the C is not correct. So D is eliminated and the correct answer is B. So this is how we have to analysis first pair and then find out the changes, apply the same changes in the next pair. That's it. This is how we have to do analogy. So this is just the first exercise, and we have few more exercises in this chapter. So you can complete it with most exciting and happiness. And if you get any doubts, please you can comment out, and you can also comment it how you are feeling these explanations. Likewise, we have just completed only exercise 1. We have few more exercises in this chapter, so do it on your own. You will be having great fun and great happiness with those problems and figures. You will enjoy it. And after that, and we will be discussing about our session 7 about cutting figures. That will be absolute fun and happy things. So we will be knowing that. So this is our Navodaya Preparation channel, especially by Navodayans.